How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing some whistling practice. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So we're gonna whistle today without our fingers. And again, we'll do 10 seconds and then we will take a break and the video will be 5 minutes long. So with that being said, let's get started. So when I make these videos too, I will give you guys tips that will allow you to whistle better. The main thing that I can say whistling with or without your fingers, the main thing is just to simply create suction around your mouth. That is the main thing. Like if you suck at whistling, just understand that the suction that you get around your lips like this. So that's suction. Some people do this. That's not good suction. So lips are huge and tongue position. Tongue position is huge. So here's me with bad tongue position and notice I can't whistle. Look. See how I'm not whistling, but I'm doing exactly the same thing? That's with my tongue on the top of my mouth like this. It doesn't work. Your tongue needs to be here. That's where your tongue should be. Tongue position, again. Just like that. So let's do it again. Just like that, you guys, easy peasy. I'm definitely better. I should say better. I'm pretty good at whistling with two hands too. One hand is a little bit trickier. I'm still kind of working on how to do that, but eventually I'll start, I'll do that in the videos too. My hand was absolutely killing me, like just killing me. So I took some 2 extra strength Tylenol, feeling amazing, like it doesn't hurt at all. Praise the Lord for having Tylenol. Tylenol is amazing. Okay, you guys, let's do another 10 seconds. Just like that. Another thing that I noticed too is that when I do the 2 hands whistling, the whistling practice for that, and doing 10 seconds, I get way winded. Like, yeah, winded. I guess it's called winded. Sorry, lightheaded. I get lightheaded when doing this, like the 2 hands for 10 seconds, but just whistling like this for 10 seconds doesn't do anything. Like I don't get lightheaded at all. So I guess because you're putting more pressure by doing this, I guess that's the only reason why I would think so, in my opinion. Okay, do it again. Just like that, you guys. We are killing it. So I'm just doing something on my computer real quick. My computer. I call it my computer. Okay, one more time and the video is done. Just like that, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Thanks.